Textron Systems has just unveiled its latest breakthrough in autonomous technology, the TSUNAMI family of uncrewed maritime surface vessels. Announced on January 13, 2025, these vessels are designed to revolutionize naval operations, offering unmatched flexibility for missions ranging from surveillance to logistics support. Developed in partnership with Brunswick Corporation, the TSUNAMI vessels combine advanced autonomy control systems with high-performance vessel platforms. Powered by gasoline engines, these vessels are streamlined for efficiency and ease of maintenance, making them both cost-effective and operationally effective in diverse maritime environments. With a payload capacity of 1,000 pounds, the TSUNAMI vessels can be adapted for a wide range of missions. Their hulls, currently in high-volume production, ensure they can operate in challenging conditions, up to Sea State 4, with operational ranges extending from 600 to over 1,000 nautical miles. The TSUNAMI vessels are modular in design, allowing for easy adaptation to different operational needs. This versatility means they can support everything from maritime surveillance to mine countermeasures and logistics. And with the potential to scale to larger sizes, these vessels are poised to meet increasing production demands in the future. The global race for military autonomous vessels is heating up, with nations around the world pushing forward with their own innovative technologies. The UK's Royal Navy is progressing with its Maritime Autonomous Systems program, which includes the RNMB Apollo, an uncrewed vessel designed for mine countermeasures. The Apollo has passed rigorous open-water trials, proving its operational capabilities. In Ukraine, autonomous maritime technology has already made waves. Ukrainian forces made history by using a naval drone to successfully destroy a Russian Min-8 helicopter off the coast of Crimea, marking the first-ever sea-to-air strike by an autonomous vessel. These drones have also been deployed in attacks on Russian naval assets in the Black Sea, highlighting their strategic importance in asymmetric warfare. Meanwhile, Turkey has introduced the ULAQ, its first armed unmanned surface vessel. Equipped with advanced weaponry, the ULAQ is capable of reconnaissance, anti-surface warfare, and countering asymmetric threats, further solidifying the role of autonomous systems in modern naval combat. With the launch of the TSUNAMI family, Textron Systems is positioning itself as a leader in autonomous maritime technology. These vessels are set to reshape the future of naval warfare, offering versatile, cost-effective solutions to meet the evolving needs of military forces around the world.